Take a Phillips head screwdriver and take these two screws out. And grab the light assembly, and there's two pins that hold it in. Just try to grab behind it, and use a little force, and just pull. There's where those two pins are. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide it out. On the back of the taillight, you can replace the bulbs. Just grab the socket, twist to the left, and slide it out. Take the bulb out, just push down on the bulb, twist to the left, slide it out. This is a 1157 bulb. Slide it in, just line the socket up, and twist it to the right. You can do the same with this one. And this is a amber bulb. Twist to the left, slide it out. And this is a 1156 NA. And slide it in, and line it up, and lock it down. And slide the connector in, lock it down, line those two pins up, push it in, take the screws, get the screws started, and snug them down.